Welcome to class 9 biology children. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 bit part. See the first bit. Chloroplasts are present in green colored leaves. Because of the presence of chloroplasts in green leaves, they can perform photosynthesis. Leucoplasts are white in color. Colorless plastids are called leucoplasts. Nucleus was named by Robert Brown. Next, cells powerhouse. Mitochondria is also called cells powerhouse. Next bit. Characteristics of the organism determined by nucleus. Next, which of the following organelle involved in secretion? Which of the following organelle Golgi complex involved in secretion? It secretes various materials. It involves in transportation also. Next, cell membrane is made up of mainly lipids and proteins. Cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Next, read the following statement. Statement A. Plastids are present only in plants. Next, statement B. Lysosomes contains non-destructive enzymes. Here, plastids are present only in plants. It is correct statement. Next, lysosomes contains non-destructive enzymes. This is wrong statement. Lysosomes contains destructive enzymes which are useful for destruction of foreign materials. Let us see matching. Here, nucleus. Who discovered nucleus? Robert Brown. Next, cell. Who discovered cell? In 8th class also we studied. Who discovered cell? C. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. Cell division. Who discovered cell division? Virchow. Rudolf von Virchow. Next, cell theory. Who proposed cell theory? Schleiden and Schwann, both they proposed cell theory. Let us see. Identify the labeled part in the diagram. This is structure of stomata, which contains God cells in it. Kidney shaped God cells. 2 God cells are there. Let us see. Here we need to identify this part. This is one God cell. Next, this is also another God cell. God cells are in bean shape or kidney shaped structures. Let us see. The colorless plastids are already we studied. Colorless plastids are leucoplasts. Cell wall is made up of mainly cellulose. Name the cell organelle that regulates and controls all the functions of the cell. Which is cell organelle? Nucleus. Nucleus regulates and controls all the functions of the cell. That is why it is called as CPU of the cell. Cytoblast refers to nucleus is called cytoblast. Schleiden called the nucleus as cytoblast. Already we studied. Next, the protein produced in the ribosomes are altered slightly in Golgi complex. The proteins produced in ribosomes slightly altered. Slightly altered means slightly undergoes two changes in Golgi complex. Next, this cell organelle contains destructive enzymes. Which cell organelles? Lysosomes. Lysosomes contains destructive enzymes. Next, powerhouse of the cell. What is called as powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Okay, come to the next one. These are the traps of solar energy. Which are the traps of solar energy? Chloroplasts traps the solar energy. What is the basic unit of life? Cell is the basic unit of life. Storage sacs of the cell. What is called as storage sacs of the cell? Vacuole is called storage sacs of the cell. It useful to store water and some other materials in it. Name the given picture. Which cell it is? This is plant cell or animal cell? This is the structure of animal cell. Identify the cell organelle. This is chloroplast. Let us see. Prokaryotes. Prokaryotes. Next, ribosomes, smooth ER. Another side, lipid synthesis, protein fractures. Next, bacterium. Okay, so prokaryotes. C, bacterium. Bacterium belongs to prokaryote. It doesn't contain any nucleus in it. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein factories. Smooth ER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It manufactures lipids and fats. So the prokaryotes becomes answer becomes C. Next, ribosomes B. Next, smooth ER, lipid synthesis A. CBA means option D. Next, name the labeled part in the shown cell organelle. Nucleus, nucleolus, DNA, RNA. So this part is nucleolus. Nucleolus. Let us see. Identify the cell organelle shown in the diagram. This is mitochondria. Next, identify the cell organelle. This is Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Who discovered Golgi complex? Camillo Golgi. Read the following statements. A. Rough yard is the site of protein manufacture. Next, Robert Brown discovered nucleus in 1835. Okay, so here first statement is correct. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in 1835 is wrong. Next, identify the wrongly mismatched pair. Stomata, gaseous exchange, correct. Leucoplast, storage of carbohydrates. Golgi complex, package of lipids. Golgi complex, package of lipids. So here Golgi complex, package of lipids is wrong. Golgi complex is useful for secretion of materials. Next, leucoplast, storage of carbohydrate. And stomata for gaseous exchange. These are correct. Next, this converts the light energy into chemical energy. Which one converts light energy into chemical energy? Chloroplast converts light energy into chemical energy. Suicidal bags of the cell. Lysosomes. C. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Next, nucleus. Where do we observe mitochondria and nucleus? We are going to see. Mitochondria we can see in onion peel cell. Nucleus we can see in cheek cell. In 8th class biology also we have cheek cell activity. Identification of nucleus in cheek cell. Leucoplasts stores. Leucoplasts stores starch, oil, proteins, etc. So all the above. Read the following statements. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it's dead in nature. Next, plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins and it's living. So here both the statements are correct. Let us see. Primarily cells are studied under compound microscope. Next, the outermost covering of animal cell. In animal cell, what is the outermost covering? Animal cell outermost covering is plasma membrane, or it is also called cell membrane. What is the outermost covering in plant cell? Cell wall. Let us see. Cell membrane or plasma membrane is made of both proteins and lipids. Let us see. Identify the selectively permeable membrane. Cell membrane is also called selectively permeable membrane. Cell wall is present in animals or plants. We need to identify. Cell wall is present in only plants. Next, nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. It acts as like a cell's control room. which acts as like a cell's control room. Nucleus acts as like a cell's control room. This part of the cell bears genetic information. Which part contains genetic information? Nucleus, nucleolus, or ribosome, or Golgi complex. Nucleus contains genetic information. Identify the prokaryotic cell. Bacteria, cyanobacteria, paramecium. D, both 1 and 2. So here bacterium and cyanobacterium. Next, this participates in intracellular transport. Which participates in intracellular transport? Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum participates in intracellular transportation. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of lipids and fats. Here there is no fats option, so lipids we need to select. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in manufacture of proteins only. In vertebrate liver cells, it plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. So here smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs in vertebrate liver cells. Vertebrates means the animals which have backbone. Next, suicidal bags of the cell is lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the cell. The number of mitochondria present in each cell are 100 to 150. The powerhouse of the cell are mitochondria. Mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell. The primary function of chloroplast is to carry out photosynthesis. Cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann, both the scientists. Next, who observed cell divisions for the first time? Rudolf von Virchow. Next, the fluid inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Let us see matching. Mitochondria, cell's powerhouse. Lysosomes, suicidal bags of the cell. Lysosomes are also called suicidal bags of the cell. Nucleus, cell's control room. Endoplasmic reticulum, secretion. Endoplasmic reticulum is also called as cytoskeleton. A. Next, Golgi complex. It participates in secretion of materials. Let us see. Next one. Semi-permeable membrane. Plasma membrane. Traps of solar energy. Chloroplast traps solar energy. Cyanobacteria. Prokaryote. Detoxification. SER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Withstand greater changes in surroundings. Cell wall. Okay children, chapter 1, 2, 3 total bit part completed. Next lesson also explained. So in our next period onwards we are going to discuss chapter 4. Thank you children.